Okay, I'm really weak today, but I can't help it. Go for a walk and see the flood. Kilchis can't either. I have my binoculars with me because I want to see. Last night I heard trees falling, and this morning I watched huge trees go down the river. This is the second highest water that we've had. And I think the other one was in like 2006. Kilchis, don't go too far. We've had, we had 5.12 inches of rain yesterday. So far today, a little over 5. This is where the trampoline used to go. Careful, Kilchis. River has never been up here. And here is where we put the boat in, except for about 30 feet from here. We have had a high water line about where my foot is here. So we're about 3 feet, 2 feet, not even. But from the highest water. And here's a good look at the river here. Scary. Anyway, we're going to walk down if I can get through this water, which now has current in it. There's old Hershey's grave, and Dee Dee's grave is right there. We plant rhododendrons by them. Hershey's rhododendron isn't doing so well. Alright, and this is the Milton Fisher tree that was given to me as a baby at the funeral. It was like 8 inches tall. Isn't it beautiful? I don't think I can get through here. I really would like to, too. Kilchis, can we make it? I don't think so. Darn it. This is my only way to go see if the trees fell. And I don't think we can make it through, Kilchis. Need hip boots. Ooh, this is scary, Kilchis, man. No, I can't make it. I'd need a cane and my hip boots. It's probably 3 feet deep, and all I've got is knee boots. So, we'll go the other way. Darn it, we saw this huge tree go down the river. And it was... My heart pounds so easy. It's the littlest bit of exercise. It's very frustrating. I wonder if I could make a way through here somewhere. Nope. What is this log up here? Wonder what kind of agates I'll get all new. Wow. It was so awesome to see that huge log go down the river. Can't make it through there either. Alright, well, I'm going to turn this off and I'll do flood video 2 once I get down to the other trail to the water. Otherwise, YouTube will say it's too long. So this is Sunday, January, gosh, I have no clue, 16th, 17th? Anyway, and it's the flood of 2011. Bye.